Introducing the Famiworths single-serve coffee maker for K-cup and ground coffee, your perfect companion for a delightful cup of coffee. This coffee maker is versatile, compatible with both K-cups and ground coffee. With a simple push of a button, you can brew your preferred brand of coffee powder or tea. Choose any cup size between 6 and 14 ounces for a smooth and flavorful start to your day. Our coffee maker features a unique bold setting, activating a special brewing process that extracts more flavor and aroma, resulting in stronger and richer coffee. Customize the taste by adjusting the amount of coffee and water to your preference. The compact size of this mini coffee maker makes it ideal for small spaces, and it's easily transportable for your camping or travel needs. It can accommodate travel mugs up to 6.7 tall, and the removable drip tray ensures easy cleanup even in the case of accidental spills. Coffee brewed in this machine is done in just 3 minutes at the optimal temperature of 185 F, ensuring your coffee is hot and enjoyable with added cream or milk. Each cup is filled almost to the brim, guaranteeing a satisfying experience every time. Cleaning and maintaining this coffee maker is a breeze. 2 buttons flash a red light alternately to remind you to descale the machine, and activating the descaling mode is as simple as pressing a button for 2 seconds. The heating descaling mode enhances the descaling effect and extends the lifespan of the coffee maker. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Before purchasing, please ensure compatibility with your destination's outlets and voltage. Experience the convenience and deliciousness of the Famiworths single-serve coffee maker for K-cup and ground coffee. Get yours today and elevate your coffee brewing experience.